If you're looking for a new pressure washer, we've done the hard work for you. After researching over 50 models, we bought and tested the 5 most promising options side by side. We rated each machine based on a battery of stringent tests to determine which is the champion of high-pressure spraying power. To do so, we devised multiple challenges to scrutinize each model's cleaning power, portability, ease of use, and accessory organizational systems. Check out our in-depth review to discover which models are the best for your specific needs. We've found the best bargains, electric options, and washers that blasted away the competition. We've tested a wide variety of the best tools for your home projects. Whether you're looking to own the best drill, a new battery-operated chainsaw, or simply a top garden hose, our reviews have you covered. Don't forget your PPE. There are numerous options for cheap best pressure washer, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best pressure washer from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Sunjoe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Sunjoe's SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer is a highly rated household cleaner that packs a lot of punch into a little portable unit. Clean siding, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more with a pressure washer that can literally be carried anywhere. It features a 14.5 amp electric motor that can generate up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow. Use the SPX 3000 on your hardscapes to remove grease and stains including mildew, oil, rust, and caked mud. The 5 different sized spray nozzles are great to wash off a variety of equipment and surfaces. Equipped with a dual detergent tank system, this power washer may store 2 different types of detergent at the same time in 2.9 liters onboard removable tanks. Conveniently switch between different detergents with the selection dial and blast away all sorts of grime. Number 2. Greenworks PW1800 Electric Pressure Washer. The PW1800 Electric Pressure Washer is an older model from Greenworks, however it's highly rated online. The unit utilizes a metal armature that the 13-amp motor and soap tank mount to with large plastic wheels that can be used to move the washer anywhere. The PW1800 comes with a 20-foot high-pressure water hose and onboard storage. 3 quick connect nozzles are included with the unit. A 15-degree for cleaning exterior furniture and light cleaning, a turbo nozzle for wiping out mold and dirt from your hardscapes, and a soap nozzle to use in conjunction with the soap tank to clean vehicles. Greenworks makes other nozzles, sold separately, to use with the pressure washer for various tasks as well. The Greenworks PW1800 provides up to 1,800 pounds per square inch, so it's excellent for cleaning cars, trucks and boats, patio furniture, and sidewalks. Number 3. Stanley SLP 2050 Electric Power Washer. Stanley Tools is a great brand that means quality and reliability in America. This entry into the portable pressure washer genre, the Stanley SLP 2050, is definitely a high-quality, reliable power washer. It's capable of delivering 2050 psi for all your light to medium-sized cleaning jobs, courtesy of an all-aluminum pump. The Stanley SLP 2050 features a unique portability solution in the form of a washer that can either be used with the included mobile cart, carried on its own where you need it, or mounted on the wall with the additional wall mount kit, sold separately, of course. The kit comes with a hose extension and a foam cannon for washing vehicles, so it may be a worthwhile purchase. The universal motor and tri-axial pressure washer pump delivers adjustable cleaning power that can quickly blast away dirt, mold, moss, mildew, and grime. It's also safe to use on most concrete, stone, and stucco surfaces. Number 4. WHOLESUN WS3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The WHOLESUN 3000 psi Electric Pressure Washer checks all the boxes on the list of what makes a good power washer. It comes with 4 quick connect spray tips. It's easy to move and store. It has a nice reel for the pressure-rated hose, and it's promoted as pumping out 3,000 psi and 2.4 gallons per minute. The plastic wheels are adequate to move the unit around, and there's a generous amount of space to wind the electrical cord around. All the connections are air compressor-style quick connect couplings. Output is in the front, and the garden hose connection is in the back, as it should be for easy use and transport. It's a great little power washer for a good price. There are so many of this type of portable pressure washer out there that it can be confusing as to which is better. Number 5. Karcher K5 Premium 2000 Psi Washer Pressure. This is the second portable pressure washer from WHOLESUN on our list, and, besides a few odd design decisions, a great value for the money. The WHOLESUN Karcher K5 Premium 2000 Psi Washer Pressure features some serious pressure power with 2000 psi at the top of the range this unit can produce. The 1.4 GPM motor is relatively quiet during operation, especially compared to a gas-powered model, and even though it weighs over 50 pounds, the power washer is relatively lightweight and portable, with some decent maneuverability. Like other portable power washers of its class, it comes with 5 different hose nozzles, an extendable spray gun, and wire-braided hydraulic hose. There's an onboard soap tank for vehicle and window washing. Make sure to use the right tip if you want the soap to flow correctly, and the plastic wheels allow for the unit to be transported where you need it to go. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.